In this video, I will show you how to colorize all black and white photo and change the background using Gemini AI. As you can see, this is our original all photo in black and white. Open Gemini AI. Now upload the photo you want to restore. Type change background and colorize photo. Hit the submit button. Wait a few seconds. You can see fully restored photo with color and a new background. Download the photo. Here is the before and after result. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more AI photo editing and graphic design tutorial.